Hello everyone. So you said I was going to do. I said I was going to do interviews or reviews of all these cool stuff from Barnes Noble Hall, right? Well, I'm starting with. Okay, no, I was gonna start with the Grinch, but I want to save the best for last. So for now, I'm gonna do first off the Lego Harry Potter blind bags. Then I'm gonna do a mini review of what I read so far in the Meltdown for Diary of a Kid. And then finally, I will do the Grinch, okay? Okay, so you gotta stay tuned for the Grinch. It's the big one, okay? I'll just start with something small, like these. Okay, so let's get started. It might be hard to do this to open these. Hold on, to film this with the bags and stuff. Hold on, I'll try and I might. Hold on a second. You know what? I'll just use the book as like a little filming thing. There we go. Can you see it? Okay, let's get started with the first bag. For the first blind bag. Hopefully I can't. Oh, no. Okay, let's just. Hopefully it's staying still. Yes, okay, let's get started with the first bag. For the first Harry Potter one. Ah, okay. Opening the bag, guys. Let's see who it is. Okay, you ready for this? Can't. Okay. Yep. Let's see. Let's see who we get so far. Okay. Let's see. And we got uh looks like we got Tina. We got Tina! Yay! Okay, let's put her together. We got Tina Goldstein. So she is one of Newt's friends from the movie. We got Tina! Hooray! Now Newt and Tina can be together. Yay! Okay, let's take out a wand from here. Sorry, you guys are just look at the hot dog. It's fine. I'll show you the figure in a bit. I can't believe that. So you got Tina. So she comes with her wand, and then she has a little hot dog. I like the little hot dog piece that you get in there. Just clip it, and then there's a little anti-stud, which connects to the hand, so you can put it in your hand. Oops, that's the wand. Okay, guys, you ready? Here is Tina. Here she is. She looks so cool. Yay, I got Tina. Oh, wait, hold on a second. I got an idea. Okay. I know I got the new figure, so it's gonna be really cool. But check this out. I know I got the new figure, and I got Tina. So now I got both of them. See, look. Now they're together. Hooray. Looks so cool when they're together. Aw, I'll place them right over here. Oh, hello, Tina. Hey, Newt. Aw. So, how's life going in New York? It's good. I've been writing my book. Really? Yeah, it's really good. It's a really page turner. So, that's really cool. Now I can have both characters from Fantastic Beasts, and I can, make new adventures with them. That's really cool. Okay, next bag. Here we go. Because I always needed more blind bags. Let's do it. Whoops, that's I knocked down Max. I'll pick him up. You okay, Max? Okay, good. Okay, next bag. Here we go. Okay. Hopefully this one's gonna be a good one. Hopefully. Ha! I don't know if I can do it good. I'm trying to unbox it the best I can. That's weird. Something's poking out of there. I'm trying to get. Hold on, loyal viewers. You know it's really like Clement, but whatever. I'm trying to unbox it. Hopefully there's not hopefully there will not be an explosion of Lego pieces going out everywhere. Dang it. Oh no, I can't unbox this well enough. Hold on. This might take a while. Oh, I think I see something. I can feel it. I know there's a little tiny hole, but in there, how do I make the hole bigger? Ah, oops. I got it, guys. No worries, I got it. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put Tina on her little base too. There we go. So trying to get the thing out of there. It's so hard when you get line mag and you try and open them. Oh, I got it. Okay, here you go. Next figure is... Oh. I think we got someone from Gryffindor. I don't know what's his name, but he looks really cool. Yeah, we got whoever this dude is. I'm gonna build him. Yay, we got a Gryffindor dude. He has those cool new mid legs, which I heard rumors about. So that's awesome. Nice. So he comes with a little Gryffindor flag. I don't know what this dude's name is. I'll just call him he does have a name, but I forgot. I think I'll call him Johnny. Or maybe Griffin. Yeah, Griffin. Gryffindor. Yes, Griffin. Yes, Griffin. I'll call him Griffin. Griffith Gryffindor. Yes, Griffith Gryffindor. Here he is. So here's Griffith Gryffindor. And he has a flag. A Gryffindor flag. And there's the back. He has a little scarf. Oh, he has a little wand too. Like all the other ones. So let's check that out. I know this review might be a little long, but whatever. It's okay. Okay. I got the one. I'm gonna put him on here. There we go. This might be a little long. It's okay. It's okay. I'm almost done. Where's the wand? There it go. There it go. Where's the wand? Oh no. I lost the wand. Guys, there's right. Oh no. It's gone. It's gone. In the deep dark abyss we call life. Oh no. Send help. Call the police. The world is ruined. Ah, no. The wand. It's gone. Everything is gone. And oh my gosh, I can't continue myself. Ah. Oh wait. Don't worry. Here's a solution to the wand problem. It comes with an extra wand. In case you lose your result, there's a little extra wand just in case. Phew. At least I got the extra one. Here. Okay. Now this might be a little too long. Yep, it's getting really long. Hold on. I'll be right back. I'm gonna make a part 2.